Hey hustlers, ever wanted access to a global marketplace right from your phone? That's AliExpress. It's huge with millions of products. Think electronics, clothes, home goods, you name it, they got it. Worried about quality? Don't be. AliExpress has reliable sellers and millions of happy shoppers. Plus, it's super affordable. We're talking crazy good deals. Ready to start shopping? Let's do this. First things first, let's get you set up on AliExpress. It's easy. Whether you're on your laptop or using your smartphone, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. Just head to their website or download the app from your app store. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices, making it accessible for everyone. Look for the sign up button, which is usually prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it to start the registration process. You can use your email or even connect with Facebook or Google for a quicker sign up. This makes it convenient and saves you time. Once you're in, take a minute to fill out your profile. This includes adding your name, contact information, and other necessary details. Add your shipping address in Bangladesh. Make sure to double-check the details to avoid any delivery issues. This helps AliExpress show you relevant products and shipping options tailored to your location. You'll get personalized recommendations and better shipping estimates. And that's it. You're officially part of the AliExpress community. You'll receive a welcome message confirming your successful sign-up. Get ready to unlock a world of awesome products. From electronics to fashion, AliExpress has it all. Happy shopping. AliExpress has millions of products. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, you're not alone. With so many options, it can be a bit daunting at first, but don't be. They've got a super easy search bar that makes finding what you need a breeze. Just type in what you're looking for and let the search engine do the rest. Want headphones? Type it in. The search results will show you a variety of options to choose from. Looking for a new phone case? They got you covered. Just type in your query and explore the endless possibilities. Once you find something you like, click on it to get more details. Read the product description carefully. This will give you all the information you need about the item. Check the size, color, and other important details. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better your purchase will be. Before you hit buy now, take a look at the reviews. These can provide valuable insights into the product's quality and performance. Other buyers' experiences are super valuable. They can help you make a more informed decision and ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Section 4. Smooth sailing shipping and payment options in Bangladesh. Let's dive into how you can get your favorite products delivered right to your doorstep and pay for them with ease. Okay, you've found the perfect product. Now what? The next steps are crucial to ensure a smooth shopping experience. AliExpress offers various shipping options to Bangladesh. Some are free, which is great if you're not in a hurry, and some are paid. You choose based on your needs and budget. Paid shipping is usually faster, ensuring your items arrive quickly. Next up, let's talk about payment. Don't worry, AliExpress makes it easy for you in Bangladesh. They accept credit cards, debit cards, and even mobile payment options. Mobile payment options like bKash are incredibly convenient and widely used in Bangladesh. Choose the option that suits you best and proceed to checkout. Double-check your details and click Confirm. Boom! You just scored an amazing deal on AliExpress. Enjoy your shopping experience and the convenience of seamless shipping and payment options. Section 5. Conquer AliExpress, you got this. Congratulations. You're now an AliExpress Pro. Remember, shopping on AliExpress from Bangladesh is easy and fun. Just follow these steps. Create an account, find your product, check reviews, choose your shipping, and select your payment. Don't be afraid to explore and discover new things. AliExpress is a treasure trove of awesome finds. Happy shopping. You got this.